In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTA in Excel. COUNTA is a simple but powerful function that counts how many cells in a range are not empty. It's perfect when you want to know how many entries you actually have, even if those entries are text, numbers, dates, logical values like true or false, or even error messages. Unlike COUNT, which only tallies numbers, COUNTA looks for any content at all. One important note: cells that look blank but contain a space, an apostrophe, or a formula that returns an empty string will still be counted as not empty. Keep that in mind if your result seems higher than expected. First, click the cell where you want your result to appear. This is your destination cell, the place that will display how many non-empty cells are in your chosen range. Picking the destination first keeps things organized and prevents you from overwriting existing data. Next, type the formula. Start with an equal sign, then the function name, and then your range inside parentheses. It will sound like this when spoken: equals COUNTA, open parenthesis, then your range, and close parenthesis. For example, you might type equals COUNTA open parenthesis A2:A100 close parenthesis. Instead of typing the range, you can also click and drag across your worksheet to select it. Excel will fill the reference for you. Make sure you include all the cells you want to evaluate, whether that's a single column, multiple columns, or a block of data. If you accidentally include header labels in your range, that's fine. COUNTA will count them too, since headers contain text. As you enter the range, glance at the status bar and the formula bar to confirm the selection looks right. If you need to adjust, you can drag the highlighted border or edit the cell references directly before finalizing. This small check saves time and ensures your count reflects exactly the area you care about. Now, press Enter. Excel immediately returns the number of non-empty cells in the range you specified. That result updates automatically if your data changes. Add a new entry, remove a value, or clear a cell, and the COUNTA total will refresh the next time the sheet recalculates. If you get a number that doesn't match your expectations, scan for hidden spaces, stray characters, or formulas that produce an empty-looking result, because COUNTA will still include those cells. That's all there is to it. Choose the destination cell, enter equals COUNTA with your range, and press Enter to see your live count of non-empty cells.